steel in the circular economy is probably the number one area of discussion for us as a steel manufacturer at the moment. If we consider the end-of-life scenarios for building materials, timber, concrete and steel, they're all very different. But looking at the options for materials, you have at one end reuse and at the other end taking to a landfill. Looking at the cycle for the green economy, reuse is clearly the most beneficial. And there have been a number of instances where buildings have been taken apart and the components or indeed sub-assemblies have been reused, but these are very rare. If we then move on to remanufacture, I think this is an area where steel has seen more progress, but limited. We see it within the offshore market when considering remanufactured wind turbines. And we also see it in the composite material market where panels are taken off one building, refreshed, and then reused on other industrial buildings and agricultural buildings. Finally, the third R, recycle. If you excuse the pun, this is where steel really shines. It's said that steel is the most recycled material in the world, over 630 million tons per year. And an important point to remember here is that steel, when it's recycled, can actually be upcycled or have its capabilities changed. And that's really important when we're considering the opportunities for lightweighting building, or indeed using steel in different applications and forming it to meet new demands as the industry technically evolves.